Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to bring you the Chum Kiu form. We'll be going through the first section, left and right, and we'll be doing combat application and chi sao application today. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes and click subscribe and like, and always click the box to be kept up with our latest videos. Have a great day, and remember to train hard and train daily. We'll begin with section 1, beginning with a double buji strike. The elbows drop down, follow with a double buji strike to the neck. Make sure the fingers stay closed so do not damage them. We're now going to get ready and shift to a left side neutral with a left bong sao, right side neutral right bong sao, left side neutral left bong sao, hyun sao to jut, step through with a left toe kick, step down right arm break, left arm break, right arm break, cover across with the right, finishing with 3 palm strikes to the jaw, left, right, and left. Starting from the double BOG, move to a right side bong sao, right side neutral, left side bong sao, left side neutral, right side bong sao, right side neutral, hyun sao, jut sao, toe kick to 3 arm breaks, left arm break, right arm break, left arm break, left arm clears, 3 palm strikes, right, left, right. Defend the straight punch with a bong sao. T-step, pak sao to expose the ribs. Apply a front kick, toe kick to the ribs. Step down, arm break. Clear the arm. Finish up with 3 palm strikes. From the look sao roll, take a T-step and apply a bong sao lap sao. Front kick follow up, arm break, check lead arm, 3 palms to finish. Defend the straight punch with a bong sao. Defend the round punch with the pak sao. front kick to the body, step in, pox out punch to the body, arm break, follow, and finish with 3 palm strikes to the head. Release with a bong sao as you T-step. Use a pox out from the round punch, front kick to the body, pox out punch to the body, arm break, finish, 3 palm strikes. From the 3rd palm strike, we take a half step as we do a Chun sao with our left arm. T-step behind, lop sao, whole foot kick to the body. Step down, step out as we do a bong sao. Release as we lop sao. Again, we bong sao with the left, lop sao. Again, last bong sao with the left, step through lop sao and punch with the right. Set for fut sao. Step back across, fut sao straight across, juts out of the center, palm strike, finish. Starting from the 3rd palm strike, half step over Chun sao, T-step is your lop sao, whole foot kick to the body. Step down, step out, bong sao on the right, release step lop sao. Second bong sao on the right, release step lop sao. Third bong sao on the right, this time step through lop sao and punch. Set up for fut sao. Step across, fut sao straight across on the section, juts out the center, palm strike, close the piece. Defend the round punch, take a half step toward it with a Chun sao, T-step behind lop sao, front kick to the body. Defend the second round punch with a bong sao. Move to the outside, follow up with lop sao and punch. Check the elbow with a pox sao, finish with a palm strike.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.